Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. So I have decided कि मुझे क्या करना है, मुझे किस तरीके के वीडियोस बनाने हैं. मैंने अपना नीश सेलेक्ट कर लिया है. So मैं डेली ब्लॉगिंग तो नहीं कर पाऊँगी, डेली कोई भी वीडियो मैं नहीं डाल पाऊँगी बिकॉज आई एम स्टडिंग ऑल्सो साइड बाई साइड. बट आई थिंक एक हफ्ते में एक वीडियो तो मैं डालूँगी. Like I have planned as of now, but let's see how far I'm successful. So ये मेरा दूसरा वीडियो है एंड I still didn't know what I had to make, what content I had to show you all. But I thought कि चलो एक haul video करा जाए because I recently bought some clothes for the Shera which I never wore because they came late. तो चलिए, let's not waste time and let's look into what I bought. So guys, the first thing that I bought is a kurti. It's a very pretty kurti in the shade blue. So here is the one. Can you guys see it? I'll show you the full picture in the screenshot that I attached here. So this is the one. It's a very pretty color and it's from the brand Here and Now. It's of cotton fabric and इसकी fitting बहुत अच्छी आती है. This is in the size S, so you know it fits perfectly fine. इसकी fitting बहुत अच्छी है. I would recommend this if you want to buy it. I will recommend this one. You can pair it with a white palazzo, or you can pair it with a mustard yellow palazzo. I would say mustard yellow palazzo, or cigarette pants or pencil pants. Anything would do, and it would just look perfectly classy and elegant. You don't have to do any hard work over here with this kurti. Just pair it with some good accessories like heavy earrings and you're good to go. ये total है, it's for 1800 rupees, but I got it I think in just 800 rupees. Yeah, I don't remember exactly, but it was somewhere near to 700 or 800, and trust me, you don't want to miss this. It's a very nice traditional wear. If you're going to some function, you could pair it very well, and office के लिए this is a very classy thing to wear, I would say. So yeah, this is the first thing that I bought. And the fabric इसकी जो है it's cotton and it's A-line, so it's straight. It goes straight and it's very wonderful. It's a wonderful product, I would say. So guys, the second thing I bought is another kurti. This is all going to be a kurti haul, so be prepared. मैं कहीं पे भी top वगैरह का mention नहीं करने वाली. It's all kurti and it's all traditional. So the second thing I bought is another kurti again. This is from Odd. It's from House of Patordi. Trust me, ये इतना प्यारा है. This is one of my favorite kurtis that I've ever bought, and I'm in love with the color. It's in the shade light blue. Yeah, it's in the shade light blue and it has white printed designs. Here again, this is a cotton fabric. This is of cotton fabric and it's a straight A-line kurti. And see, here's a better picture. I wish this is the one. इसकी material काफी soft है and you can wear this with cigarette pants, and plazos would also do, but plazo wouldn't give you that sharp, sleek look. So I would recommend you wearing this with cigarette pants, and trust me, they are very good to go and they are very comfy for your daily wear. So ये I think मुझे ये 1200 का मुझे पड़ा, but I think I got it cheap. I got it for 600, or yeah, I got it for 650 something. If I'm not wrong, I got it for something like 650 somewhere. Yeah. So उसका आधा price, and a very gorgeous one. Trust me, I'm just in love with this. Just in love with this. So the third thing that I bought is this kurti, and can you see the color? I think I'm in just in love with this color itself. लेकिन color देख के क्या होता है? But इसकी fitting भी बहुत अच्छी है. It has 3/4 sleeves and it has a mandarin collar. Can you see it? And here it has slits over here in between. Also it has slits and it has side slits also. Can you see this? ये इतना प्यारा कलर है, आई कैन नॉट टेल यू. ऐसा एक कुर्ती मेरे पास ऑलरेडी है सेम कलर में, बट इट वॉज ऑल प्लेन, सो आई डिसाइडेड कि चलो ये ले लेते हैं. एंड इट्स अ वेरी गॉर्जियस वन. एंड जो प्रिंट है, आई थिंक इट्स अ फॉइल प्रिंट इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग. एंड यू नो, ट्रस्ट मी, इट्स अ वेरी गॉर्जियस कुर्ती. इट्स अ वेरी गॉर्जियस कलर. एंड यू कैन पेयर इट विथ सम, आई थिंक दिस वुड गो विथ प्लाजोस, वाइट प्लाजोस perfectly, and flat chappals. Flats, yeah, basically, you know, sleek flats would go with this. Just see this. Can you see it? So this is of, I think it's of 13.99, but I got it for 1,000. So you know, I think it's a steal deal. Like, it's worth the money. I think for me it's worth the money. And just look at it. You see it? It's from some company called Fanatic. I have never heard of this name before, but I think, you know, those brands I will buy more of stuff, because this has just impressed me. It's so gorgeous and it's so lovely. You see it? So these are the 3 things that I have bought. And ये वाला जो कुर्ती है, आई थिंक आई हैव टू रिटर्न इट, बिकॉज दिस इज़ इन द साइज S, बट इट्स नॉट फिटिंग मी एट ऑल. लाइक नॉट एट ऑल. इट्स doing perfectly fine in my body, but it's not fitting my shoulders. So I don't know how come this is not fitting me. Maybe some size issues, so I'm going to get a size larger for myself, like medium properly. And the rest too fits perfectly fine. So yeah, I don't regret buying any of these products. And आई थिंक मुझे ये 3 कुर्तियाँ बहुत ही सस्ते में मिल गई. इट्स वेरी चीप. इट्स अ स्टील डील. एंड ट्रस्ट मी, आई थिंक इट्स वर्थ द मनी. This is what I think. I am very sure that you might be thinking the opposite also sometimes. But you know, the 3 items that I bought have very nice quality. And trust me, I think I have started, you know, trusting Myntra again, because my friends were also saying, you know, try कर ले कुछ तो खरीद ले, देख ले, पहले जैसा अब नहीं रहा. So I think I just changed my mind about it, and I think I'm gonna buy some more products. I will show it to you once I have them delivered. Since you all know कि, you know, I am very new to YouTube, so please drop down your comments, like your recommendations, your suggestions. I would really love to see all of them, because you know, trust me, I guess my viewers are my biggest critiques. So they'll be telling me if these things are actually, you know, working, if they are working perfectly fine for me or not. So please don't hesitate to write it to me in the comment section. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And you know, I think the more love you show towards my videos will encourage me to make more videos. And if you really like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you like my content, then please make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Till then, take care, stay safe, bye.